Everything old is new again, or so the saying goes. In this complete first floor renovation of a Jersey City brownstone, the Houseplay team played up historic features while upgrading with modern elements. Working with an architect, we were able to create solutions to allow for a modern open floor plan perfect for entertaining. We refinished the original subfloor throughout the space to beautiful effect and moved a piece of marble from the original foyer to showcase the front of the fireplace. Finally, we installed brand new cabinets, countertops, appliances, and backsplash in the now spacious kitchen, and installed a brand new modern HVAC throughout the home as well. Here's what our clients had to say. We want to extend our deepest thanks for your work to make our home beautiful. You were a pleasure to work with, and we are thrilled with the result. If you're ready to revitalize your space, book your vision and planning session at www.hprnj.com.